we satisfy our curiosity.
County Turkana jalup governor ma county no John Russo yango ni piny owacho ma Netherlands koma record county no ogolo omenda maromo bilion 1.5 mar jiwo weche lupo e nam Turkana. Russo lo nire ruoge mamoko bende ogolo bilion 1.2 kaka yor neno ni rech mowuok e nam Turkana ochwal nyaka e chidni mayudore e pinje maoko. Magi timore kinde ma johala alwora mar nam Turkana kwano lal kaluwore kod medruok pi e namno makoro donjore nyaka kuonde mane gitime ohala. MCA makolokolo kone midhiero makama okel kod lokruok chal kor lwasi mabedo sethiro nyaka weche mag lupo.
The water has been rising up from 2020 up to now. There's a lot of danger because the hotel is being swept. Already the restaurant has been swept away by the waters. The livelihood also for the people around here are in danger.
I want to say that the Turkana County government in collaboration with Netherlands are contributing 1.52 billion for support of unlocking the potential for Lake Turkana, which is for Turkana and Marsabit County. And that is outside the support that the World Food Program and all SAFCON initiatives are putting in this lake, which is estimated to be more than